you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, in this video we're gonna cover the basic food vocabulary in German. Yes, if you are in A1 or A2, this video will help you a lot. Make sure to subscribe German Gyan in case you're watching for the very first time. Then my name is Nidhi, I'm a Steven, the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides the online and offline classes. We provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation and whatnot. So why to waste time, guys? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get into this video. Let's go.
Vocabulary for food and eating out. So first let's learn some basic food vocabulary, and these are Lebensmittel. The first word is das Brot, means bread. Die Butter means butter. Der Käse means cheese. Das Ei means egg. Das Fleisch means meat. Das Gemüse means vegetables. Das Obst means fruit. Der Reis means rice. Die Suppe means soup. Die Wurst means sausage. Das Hähnchen means chicken. Der Fisch means fish. Die Kartoffel means potato. Die Tomate means tomato. Die Gurke means cucumber. Das Getränk means drink. Let's revise these letters once again. Das Brot, die Butter, der Käse, das Eis, das Fleisch, das Gemüse, das Obst, der Reis, die Suppe, die Wurst, das Hähnchen, der Fisch, die Kartoffel, die Tomate, die Gurke, das Getränk. Now vocabulary for Essen und Trinken. Das Frühstück means breakfast. Das Mittagessen means lunch. Das Abendessen means dinner. Der Snack means snack. Das Wasser means water. Der Kaffee means coffee. Der Tee means tea. Der Saft means juice. Das Bier means beer. Der Wein means wine. Now revise these once again. Das Frühstück, das Mittagessen, das Abendessen, der Snack, das Wasser, der Kaffee, der Tee, der Saft, das Bier, der Wein. Vocabulary for im Restaurant. Die Speisekarte means menu. Das Gericht means dish. Die Vorspeise means appetizer. Die Hauptspeise means main course. Das Dessert or der Nachtisch means dessert. Der Kellner or die Kellnerin means waiter or waitress. Die Rechnung means the bill. Das Trinkgeld means tip. Then ich hätte gern means I would like. Ich nehme means I'll take. Zahlen bitte means the bill please. Once again, let's revise these. Die Speisekarte, das Gericht, die Vorspeise, die Hauptspeise, das Dessert, der Nachtisch, der Kellner, die Kellnerin, die Rechnung, das Trinkgeld, ich hätte gern, ich nehme, zahlen bitte. Now useful verbs for food. The first one is essen means to eat, trinken means to drink, kochen means to cook, bestellen means to order, servieren means to serve, bezahlen means to pay, schmecken means to taste, probieren means to try, backen means to bake. Example sentences. Ich esse gern Gemüse means I like eating vegetables. Trinkt jeden Morgen Kaffee means he drinks coffee every morning. Wir bestellen eine Pizza means we are ordering a pizza. Some important phrases which you can use in restaurant, and the first one is einen Tisch für zwei bitte means a table for two please. Was empfehlen Sie means what do you recommend? Ist das Gericht vegetarisch means is the dish vegetarian. Ich bin allergisch gegen means I'm allergic to. Ich bin satt means I'm full. Es schmeckt sehr gut means it tastes very good. And ich möchte bitte bezahlen means I had like to pay, please. Redewendungen with food. The first one is das ist nicht mein Bier means that's not my problem. Das ist mir Wurst means I don't care. And the third one is jemandem Honig ums Maul schmieren means to butter someone up. Example when you are in a restaurant. So Kellner says Guten Abend, was möchten Sie essen means good evening, what would you like to eat? And then Gast says ich hätte gern die Suppe als Vorspeise und dann das Hähnchen mit Kartoffeln means I would like the soup as a starter and then the chicken with potatoes. Then möchten Sie etwas trinken means would you like to drink? Then the guest says ja, ein Glas Wasser bitte means yes, a glass of water please. And then Kellner says kommt sofort means coming right away.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for sharing lots of love to all the videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning. Gyan A1 A2. Take care.